Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading po ito for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libras. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi ko naman makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. So, anyway, kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And, yeah. Pwede mo kayo follow sa TikTok. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Pa-comment na lang po, kahit po heart-heart lang smileys, malaking bagay na yun sa akin. And let's start the reading. Libra. Okay. What do we have here for Libra? Nakita nga pala ako na pusa. Like a cat or... Yeah. Not sure if it's a cat. Kasi may itsurang wolf din eh. So, something to do with that animal. Maybe that's her spirit animal. Anyway. Oh, this is you, Libra, with the Justice card. Check mo yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter mo, ha? Ten of Pentacles. Six of Cups. Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Libra. Nitignan ko lang yung mga bottom of the decks. I feel like someone is really watching you from a distance. May malayong nakamasid or nakatingin sa'yo. And you might feel like, or this person, pwedeng akala mo or pakiramdam mo busy lang siya or what, busy siya lagi, whatever. But this person is really watching you. And nagpapakita ito ng parang nasasaktan siya. Three of Swords is here. Nasasaktan siya kasi hanggang masid lang siya. Kind of thing. And you do have here Justice card and pagdating sa money, this is really a good sign. There's a lot of money, big change pagdating sa pera. No? Some of you with the Six of Cups, may mga magagandang offer or maybe it's like especially yung iyong Uranus and Jupiter conjunction ay nasa 8th house. And 8th house is about finances ng ibang tao. So, pwedeng ito ay loan or utang na babayaran sa'yo or loan na ma-accept or maybe money na marireceive mo because of commissions or mga dating pinagtrabahuan mo pa. Some of you, this could mean clients or other people's money. It's other people's money na pwedeng i-invest sa'yo. And that is a good, good sources of money are coming like sunod-sunod. Napakaganda nito. And then yung iba can be a very good offer na parang I'm not saying natanggapin mo, of course nasa sayo pa rin yun and be sure na gagamitin mo yung pakiramdam mo. I will give you a hint. Pag kinakabahan ka, huwag mo ituloy. Okay? Yun na yun. That is a sign for you. Diba? Kasi tayo, hindi naman tayo kakausapin ng halimbawa ni God or ng spirit guides mo na huwag kang makinig or what. They are communicating with us sa ibang paraan. And yan nga, yung iba, pag kinakabahan ka, huwag mo ituloy. Pero pag, or if you feel like there's something wrong, maybe really there's something is wrong. Okay? Pero nakakita talaga tayo ng magandang offer dito. Especially regarding money. And then, yeah, let's get back to the love reading. Tell me about Libra pagdating sa love. Tell me more. Anyway, this is almost daily love reading kasi. Yung daily ko talaga love reading ang ginagawa ko talaga dyan. But if you want na concentrated sa money or what, i-check mo lang yung ibang video. And dun sa Unicorn Princess Tarot, you might want to check yung astrological reading because may ginawa akong first ever video na may kinalaman sa or ang reading is astrology. Yan. And ito yung example nun. Yung chart for astrology. Ngayon, nandun yan sa Unicorn Princess Tarot. Check mo na lang dun. Anyway, let's get back to the reading. Ang dami kong commercial, commercial break. Kasi gusto ko isingit Kasi may mga message din doon para sa'yo. Especially money. Yung nakikita natin. 3 of Cups. Okay, I can see 3 people. 3 people. 3 tao. One is a risk taker. Pero nahihiya pa to Itong person na to, gusto niya na mag-take ng risk. Pero nahihiya pa siya. This could be a friend. The 3 of Cups is here. Pwedeng siya yung nahihiya, but gusto niya makipag-kausap, communicate sa'yo, but nahihiya pa siya. Some of you, yung other person, I can see an ending, which is, you do have here the Death card, at nasa taas nito ay ang Justice card, Libra energy. So, pwedeng ending of something very stable. Yung iba, this could be a boss na pwedeng something is going to end sa inyo, like commitment or whatever. Yung iba naman, pagdating sa love, this could be an ending of something very stable, which is pwedeng marriage. Kung ikaw ay committed na or engaged na, pwedeng ganun. Or yung iba, hindi naman ending na pangit. Definitely, pwedeng new beginnings din. Maybe engagement na papuntang marriage. You know what I mean? Anyway, the Queen of Pentacles is here. Nakakita din tayo dito ng person na parang gustong mag-invest sa'yo Gusto niya talagang mag-offer ng money. And nakikitaan ka niya ng potential, ng opportunities. The King of Wands is here. So, a lot of people wants to talk to you. Maraming tao ang gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. Hindi lang sa may kinalaman sa love, but especially money. Yan. Sabihin na natin, especially money. They want to talk to you. What will happen in the future? In the near future for Libra. For Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Jupiter, Libra. In the near future for Libra. Wheel of Fortune. 3 of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. the Star, and the Eight of Pentacles. Forget about love. Forget about love. You know why? Kasi ang pinagpo-focus talaga sa'yo is money. Especially, ganun din naman talaga nakalagay sa astrological chart mo. Money is coming. Whatever you want in life, ito na yung time na mag-manifest ka pagdating sa money. Because a lot of money is coming. Nakita tayo ng Two of Pentacles. This is what you should prioritize. Hindi mo na love, ano. This is the right time. Especially, meron nga tayong Uranus and Jupiter conjunction, which is pagmi-meet ng dalawang planet. And that pagmi-meet is only happening ng 84 years. Imagine yung Jupiter and Uranus conjunction or pagmi-meet ng Uranus at Jupiter, 84 years bago mangyari. And not unless mabuhay ka pa ng 100 years na another 84 years, no. So ito yung once in a lifetime opportunity at pumatak siya sa ano tawag dito? Pumatak siya sa 8th house, which is may kinalaman sa pera. And some of you, pwedeng pera ito ng ibang tao, like pera ng ng spouse mo, asawa mo. Ayan, pwedeng increase sa pera niya. Okay, and syempre makikinabang ka din doon. And yeah, this is share the resources. Some of you kung ikaw ay may mga multiple sources of income, big change, I can see growth. Kahit anong sources of income yan. 8 of Pentacles is here. This is you being busy because of these incomes, no? Or sources of incomes. And yung iba meron pa, bukod sa meron ka ng sources of income, so pwedeng may gusto ko pang idagdag. And maaring another thing na ipa-priority mo na naman. But I can see growth din pagdating sa bagay na yun. 5 of Swords is here. 10 of Cups. Whoever these people na kinut off mo or ika-cut off mo pa lang, there's this energy showing as the sun, which is wag kang mangamba. Maaaring mahirap or masakit lang mag-cut off sa una, but at the end, ikaw yung magiging masaya. Okay? Yung iba kinut off na, kahit ano yan kahit sa money or sa love, yan. Kung sino man yung mga kinut off mo, ika-cut off mo, there's this new beginning for you. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.